Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers in the description below. Please get those numbers and call them every day. Some people may say it's too late. Some people may say it's not doing any good. We still have to try. If we don't try, we will fail. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Leave me your comments, your complaints. Tell me how you're handling all of this stuff. I would love to hear from you. I do read every one of your comments every day. Y'all, the 2,000 plus stimulus check that I've always been so optimistic about, I'm beginning to lose some of that. The things that's happened over the past couple of days, mainly yesterday, the things that's happened is beginning to drain some of that optimistic out of me. A lot of people in the comments told me that it would happen. Okay, this video has got some good news and some bad news. I'll let you pick out the good and the bad because what's good for you may not be good for me. But Mitch McConnell says the HEROES Act is dead. Well, we kind of knew that already. He also says that we'll see a stimulus package by next week. The key topics will be unemployment, liability protection, stimulus checks, and state and local government. Larry Kudlow says we will get a stimulus package that everyone can agree on. Let's see if we the people can agree on it. We're the one that counts. Not to them. Trump is still pushing for liability protection and payroll tax holiday. These two things won't cost anything in the package. They have no dollar amount on them as long as they're in the package. But in real life, they have a big dollar amount on them. The payroll tax holiday will be taken away from Social Security, SSI, and SSDI. So where's that money going to come to replace that? Or are they even thinking that far in advance? Do they even care about Social Security and stuff anymore? Larry Kudlow is at it again. He is helping the rich get richer. He is wanting a holiday for capital gains tax. Now this will only help the rich people, the rich investors. Well, they can take a day and sell off all their stocks and make all their profit and not pay a penny tax on it. So this will only help his rich friends. And the hell with the regular people. As you know, the Senate went out to recess, not giving a rat's ass about the American people. The House and the Senate is scheduled to take the whole month of August off. Nancy Pelosi was asked, would she agree with not taking that month off, calling it off? Without batting an eye, Nancy Pelosi says, oh, we have to. We're working on the people's schedule. I wish Mitch McConnell could see it that way. Y'all know I've never cared for Nancy Pelosi, but she is bending over backwards to help us. Yes, she's got a hidden agenda. They all do. But we do need the help. And it looks like she's the only one that cares enough to help us. Y'all, I really thought I wouldn't have to say this, but I really believe we won't be getting a $2,000 stimulus check. I do believe, however, it will be a $1,200 check. And reoccurring, I think we can hang that out to dry too. I think it's going to be a one-time thing. The $600 boost, they're talking about taking that down to maybe $200 and giving everybody a $1,200 stimulus check. Something that they promised us a long time ago, now they're saying they're going to give it to us. Well, I'll believe it when I see it. Y'all, Yesterday I told you about the stun guns. The people that's ordered them day before yesterday, those are in the mail. They're on the way to you. The people that ordered them yesterday, I placed another order. I should have it in 7 days. Then yours will be out to you. I'm going to have to start making bigger orders because they're selling out faster than I can get them in. I've got another order coming in, and the black ones in that order are already sold. So I'm going to have to probably make another order probably tomorrow, and that will be nothing but black ones. So just know yours is coming in if you ordered it yesterday, and I will ship it to you as soon as it comes in. And the ones that was ordered day before yesterday, they're in the mail. They're on the way to you. Y'all, just know I love you all. We will get out of this. It's going to be tough. It's been tough, and it's going to get tougher. But we can do this. We're Americans. That's what we do. Just keep your faith in God and keep pushing forward. I almost said keep reaching for the stars. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow, ciao.